Yeah.
Well, we're headed to a house.
Tim,
They're going to meet.
we got a Birmingham to sell.
Yeah, are you on?
Look at
We're
Tim,
on. We're rolling.
Okay.
We're coming in hot.
Where is that black and red Birmingham?
That is in Kentucky.
Okay, it's in
finishing up.
Kentucky.
Okay.
We're maybe only 3 weeks out.
Okay, and we have a lot in the beach.
We have a lot in the beach.
To put it on, right?
Yeah, but I just got information that there's a gorgeous lot in the Prairie.
Well, where are you going to put it? On the beach or the prairie?
You know what?
Well,
we'll give people a choice for today. I don't know how long that'll last.
Okay, so only today.
Only today.
Because we don't give people choices because they're
We
so
don't.
coveted
and I
after.
just said that without clearing it.
Yeah, you did, because we already talked about this.
So, and if you want to walk over there, it's that corner lot, so you have no neighbor on one side of
All right.
you. It's a beautiful piece of property.
Okay, so we'll just say this. We have a Birmingham, right, that is all black with red dormers, vertical siding on the bottom, lap siding on the dormers. Beautiful.
It is. It's
and the
gorgeous.
trim, is it black?
It's black. So it's all charcoal. Dormers, corbels is like a burgundy red. It's gorgeous.
The dormers.
Yeah.
And right over across this wall right here on the corner on the prairie, it's a coveted lot.
It is.
How much?
We're gonna sell the house, but the house will come with the lot.
And setup,
And the setup,
skirting,
utility
deck,
hookup, skirting,
everything.
decking, stairs, the entire thing. $135.
Got it, 135.
And you could actually move in a month.
Okay, and I don't know when this is going to air because this is not
Okay.
live, but we have sold how many of these Birminghams with a lot, and they've sold within a few hours?
Within average 2 hours. Now we had a couple people that wanted a contract, and then for whatever reason they weren't able to come through. But if you're interested, email sales@IncredibleTinyHomes, or if you want to email me direct, Tim Low, TIMLOW @IncredibleTinyHomes. But Randy's correct. We sell it in a matter of hours.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
It won't stay.
We usually get over 100 emails, and we have to go through them, be fair, and do it by timeline.
Right.
Also, these homes, if you need to sell a house or get financing or anything like that, this package is not for you. We'll find you eventually a community where you can do that. This is for somebody who, within 3 to 5 business days, can get that money together and send it to us.
Yes.
Because we just have too many people waiting. That lot in the Prairie is so coveted. I have to give it to the first person, as Tom always says, who can sign the contract and send us the money.
You got to be
That's
able
right.
to pay.
You got to be able
right.
to pay the
and,
full
and
amount.
we hate to stretch that, but there
I
are
hate
so
to
many
say that,
people
but-
that sign a contract and never pay.
But people, exactly. But people don't mind to do that. I mean, listen,
Yep.
Tammy did. She bought
They
it
did.
by 24.
Done.
She got it and got
Came
a
here,
beach
signed
lot.
check, done.
Done. She's here.
So there you go.
good.
If you're serious and if you've been following us and you know what we've got going on and heard these testimonies here, and you know what? That's why it's good to keep watching these, because if you're
Yes.
thinking about it, this may not be ready for you right now, but next time when we maybe have one come up,
You're ready to go. Yeah.
These lots are like coveted, man. People get here, they stay, they won't leave, and they're barely come up for.
And I forgot to mention, if you do that package deal, we will stick with just the $200 a month,
Okay, $200 a month.
Yeah.
which was
That's
the original
amazing.
price of years ago. So if
But it's
you,
amazing.
if
It's
you
still
can do the
$200 a
package,
month.
We're still going to do. Again, I don't.
I mean, we're
don't tell
talking
them.
3 years ago. We
Yeah.
decided the $200 a month.
It's still there.
It's still there.
Still
guys.
there, even if you're the second or third person to do this.
Still there.
We're
Got it.
still going to do the 200.
Perfect. Thanks, buddy.
Yeah, you're welcome.
Thank
Tim
you,
is
Tim.
awesome. All right.
All right.